Hello students, I am Dr. Renu Kohli, Associate Professor in Geology at Government Bangalore College, Pali. Today's topic is global warming. In the last century, planet temperature has raised to unusually fast, about 1.2 to 1.4 degree Fahrenheit. Scientists believe that it's human activity that is driving the temperature up. The gradual increase in the average temperature of Earth's atmosphere is called global warming. This happens due to an increase in the level of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere that prevent the heat from escaping the outer space, thereby making the Earth warm. Global warming has emerged as one of the most important environmental issues ever to confront humanity. This concern arises from the fact that our everyday activities may be leading to changes in the Earth's atmosphere that have the potential to significantly alter the planet's heat and radiation balance. Causes of global warming. Many reasons may be there for global warming. Primary and main cause is considered to be the greenhouse effect. The effect is mainly caused by carbon dioxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbon, nitrous oxide, etc. gases. These gases form a cover in the atmosphere around the earth through which the hot rays of the sun can enter the earth but cannot exit, so the heat of the sun remains in the lower circle of the earth, making the temperature rise. It is feared that world may experience a rise in temperature of about 4 to 5 degree by 2050. The average temperature of the earth may rise by about 1 degree centigrade in last century has risen by about 1 degree centigrade in last 5 centuries, and this half of the warming is caused in 20th century alone. The global warming is increasing at an alarming rate. Global warming is doing harm to the people as well as animals and plants. It is killing algae and it is also destroying huge forests. The pollution that causes global warming is linked to the acid rain. Acid rain gradually destroys everything it touches. Global warming is also causing many more fires that wipe out the whole forest. This happens because global warming can make the earth very hot. In forests, some plants and trees' leaves can be so dry that they can catch fire. Due to rise in average temperature of the earth, agriculture, crops, forest and life growth is affected adversely. It also changes balance equation of the marine life. Melting of glacier will result in the rise of sea temperature, posing a threat upon the habitat of the coastal areas. These are the natural causes of the global warming besides greenhouse gases. Volcanic eruption, rotation of the sun that changes the intensity of sunlight and moving closer to the earth. Human influence on global warming, industrial revolution, mining, deforestation and fossil fuel. Major effect of global warming. A rise in temperature. Global warming has led to incredible rise in earth temperature, melting of glacier and threat to ecosystem. The melting of glacier will create a plethora of problem to humankind and the animals living on the earth. Due to increased global warming, the level of sea will rise, which will lead to flooding, and this will in turn create havoc in human life. Apart from raising the sea level, it will also endanger several species of animals and thus will hamper the balance of the ecosystem. Climate change. Global warming has led to change in the climate conditions. Extreme weather conditions like flood and drought are likely to occur more often in some places and flood at some. The climatic imbalance is the result of global warming. Spread of disease. Global warming leads to change in the pattern of heat and humidity. Allergies, asthma, and infectious disease outbreak will become more common. Disruption to food chain. Change the time and season. The birds are flying south for winter sooner. Hibernation will take longer, and a whole area of event is set up in a motion for a complete collapse of animal life. The entire food chain could be disrupted and enormous consequences could follow. Loss of biodiversity. Rising temperatures are likely to result in widespread ecological change. Many animals and plant species are likely to become extinct as ecosystems adjust to climate change. While adaptable species will survive and others migrate and become more successful, but species like polar bear won't be able to adapt and could become extinct. The end result would be the loss of biodiversity. All these effects are interconnected. Global warming and climate change. Many people think that global warming and climate change are synonyms, but scientists prefer to use climate change when describing the complex shift now affecting our planet's weather and climate system. Climate change encompasses not only rising average temperature but also extreme weather events, shifting wildlife population and habitat, rising seas, and the range of other impacts. All of these changes are emerging as humans continue to add heat trapping greenhouse gases to the atmosphere. Thank you.